Hi, folks. Here's a little question. Which bar magnet orientation seems to correspond to the field lines drawn here? Notice that we have an object here. It's square. There are field lines coming into this end of the bar magnet and out of this end of the bar magnet. Okay, so where they begin and end are the north and south poles. So this is a vertical alignment. Okay, the field lines are coming in to the South Pole. That's what they do. And they come out of the North Pole. Thus, the North Pole is at the bottom, the South Pole is at the top. And that would be answer B. Another way of looking at that, I'm going to have to, it's not going to let me do it. Okay, so we're going to do it down here in this little thing here. All right, now let's imagine that we have, okay, I'm going to have to move my hand over here. Okay, we've got a circle of current going like this. Okay, I'm going to use my right hand. I'm going to point my thumb in the direction and curl it around. Okay, now around that circle I was describing, my fingers are coming up through the bottom, coming up through the bottom. Okay, that circle of current, that's the electron going around an atom. All right, so my fingers are coming up, and thus this portion up here is the north because that's where the field lines are coming out. Field lines be going in underneath. If it were going the other way, my fingers would be pointed inward to the inward side of of the uh, the ring. Okay, I hope that helped, and I'm going to stop this and try to post.